If there's one thing that kids love, it's pretend play, especially when it mimics the grown-ups in their lives. Hi, this is Eva from Wudkwency Artistry. We have designed a perfect intro toy, a wooden lawnmower for toddlers. This wooden option is an heirloom-worthy version of the classic plastic corn popper. This design includes balls that pop around inside the tumbler to encourage your little ones to keep pushing and develop their motor skills. You can download the free PDF scroll saw pattern from the link provided in the description. The benefits of making a wooden lawnmower toy for your little are multifold. It gets them out into the fresh air to enjoy some screen-free playtime. If you like this pattern, then give us a like and please subscribe to our channel to get the new content. Thanks for watching.